Hello everyone, my name is Raisen and welcome to Rice Fix. And if your car door is giving you problems like this, it comes down automatically, then keep watching this video because I am going to show you exactly how to fix it. So let's get the video started. So these are the new shockers that I have bought and they have cost me 900 bucks. These are aftermarket shockers, guys. If you go to buy the original ones, they will cost you a lot. So I have bought these shockers from the local market. You can even buy them online. Even online they are available in plenty. So the first thing that you will have to do is buy a replacement for your old shockers from anywhere you get them, and then only start to remove your old ones. Now if you are two people working together, then one guy can hold the door and the other guy can take out the shockers. But if you don't have any help and if you are going to replace them by yourself and alone, then you will need a vice plier like this. When you have a vice plier like this, open your boot door and come near the shocker. Once you come near the shocker, put the vice plier on the shocker like this. Once you put the vice plier on the shocker like this, your door will not come down and very easily you can replace the shocker from the other side. So here I have put the vice plier in position. Now I will go to my other shocker and I will replace this one. Now to replace this old shocker, if you have bought the original one, then you will need a 12mm spanner. But if you have bought a aftermarket shocker, then you will need a 11mm spanner. Now I had replaced the shockers on this car around 4 to 5 years back. So I had put aftermarket shockers on this door. So I will need a 11mm spanner here. So take that 11mm spanner and take out the nut or bolt which is there on the shocker. Loosen it and separate it totally from the car body. Once you separate that, now come to the other end of the shocker, and here also you will notice that the shocker has been bolted to the car body. Take your same 11mm spanner and loosen this bolt and separate it totally from the car body. Once you totally separate it from the car body, your one shocker is now totally separated from the car. Now immediately get the new shocker, and the same way how you had taken out the bolt, now it's time to put them back. So put this back in a relaxing manner and keep an eye on the vice plier as well, guys, because the door can come down sometimes. So the first bolt I will put on the car body. Now when you are putting this bolt inside, you might face some problem just to put the thread in, but see that you don't force it in. It should go nicely inside and you should be able to rotate the nut or bolt with your hands only. Once the bolt goes half the way inside, then you can use a spanner and tighten it properly. Once you tighten it properly, you will have to come on the other end of the shocker which is connected on the door, and now you will have to connect this end of the shocker to the door. Now you might face slight problem just to put the bolt inside, but once the bolt goes inside, then rotate the bolt with your hand first. It should rotate nicely and freely. Once it goes half the way, then you can use a spanner and tighten it completely. Once you tighten it properly, you are done replacing your shocker from one side. Now if your shocker is a good quality shocker, then it will keep your door up and you don't need to put the vice plier on the other side. And you can replace this shocker without any problem. So I will take out this vice plier from this shocker now. Once I take it out, as you guys can see, my door stays on top. But just a recommendation here, guys, when you are replacing the shocks, replace from both the sides. Now I will take out this side shock and separate it completely from the car. And then I will replace it with a new one. So once I replaced both the shocks, now let's check out the door performance, guys. Okay friends, you guys can see the sweat on my face, and all these things I do to help you guys. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. And guys, as you guys can see, the door now stays on top without any problem. And if I close it, it closes. If I open it, it goes on top just like that. So if you found this video useful, see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed, then see that you subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.